Now this is the question to find out the output. For this one, how we have to start? First we have to write the ASCII value of the characters given in a string. Like these are the characters in the string and these are their ASCII codes. Okay, now the string will store like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then to find out the length of this string will be 7, as there are 7 characters. Then nt is an empty string. Again, when we will come here, the range will develop a list, as the L is 7, so it will develop a list like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now when the loop will start, the first value of the list, that is 0, will come into I, and it will check if t0, and t0 is what? R. If R dot is upper, so is it upper? No, it is not. The condition will come at this place. It will check else if R dot lower. Yes, it is lower. It will come at this place. The ordinal number of R is what? 114. 114 minus 1, 113. So if you will minus 1 in R, where you will be? At 113, and it is the ASCII code of small q. ठीक है, तो if you, the char will return the q, small q here. Now the statement is nt equals to nt plus q. As you know, the nt is empty, so empty plus q. So the first value which will move into empty nt is what? Q. Okay, because it is empty, nothing is here, and then this is returning us small q. Empty plus small q is small q, it will move into nt, so the first value which will appear in the nt is q. Okay, now after this it will not come at this one, so the from here, as you can see, the print is in the for indentation, so after this the control will directly move for this one, and the new value in the I is 1. Again it is checking if t1 is what? Small l. If t1 dot is upper, now condition is again false, come here, condition is true. When true, again it is finding the ordinal number of small l, which is what? 108. 108 minus 1, 107. The character form of 107 is k. Okay, so now here what we are getting? Small k. Nt plus k. So nt is what? Q. That means q plus k. So q plus k concatenation, they both will combine, so the new value which will appear in nt will be q and k. This will be removed from here, and the new value will be combined q and k. Again this condition is satisfied, so it will not come here, and the loop will move again up. Second value, again if t second, which is capital B, if capital B dot is upper, now it is uppercase. Okay, then the ordinal number of capital B is 66. 66 plus 1, that means 67. एक आगे जा रहे हैं, 67 किसका हो जाएगा? कैपिटल C. Okay, capital C plus NT, as NT is having what? Q and K, QK plus capital C. So the here is QK, here is C. Concatenation will be done, and the value will move here, QK plus C. So the next value which will appear in this one is QK plus C. The total concatenated value is the again will move up, so it will have 3. As you can see, the list is increasing by 1 to pick one number from the text. Okay, the next value will be 1. For the 1, this condition is false, this condition is false, this condition is satisfied. Now it is here what? T, which index number? T3. T3 is what? 1. So it will take 1 here, convert it into a integer, because the 1 is here in which form? String form. That is by converting a 1 into a integer form. Now it is a numeric 1, okay, and then you are doing numeric 1 plus 1. It is like this. Numeric 1 plus 1, it will be what? 2. Convert it into str, and then it will be here nt में इसको ऐड कीजिए, ठीक है. So it will be what? nt is this, str this, so it will be what? It will be 2. Again now the next value 4, this is false, again here 4 converted into integer 4 plus 1, it will be 5. Now 5 again converted into a string form, so the nt is this plus 5 of the string form, okay. So it will be this plus 5 plus matlab concatenation, it will be here. Again it will move here. Now you should be understand that what we are doing in this code, where it is upper we are increasing it 1, and where it is lower, content is lower, we are taking it 1 back. And if it is a digit, then what we have to do, we have to add 1. So now the next one is a capital. This condition satisfy increase 1 in I. When you increase 1 in I, it will be j, and then this j will be concatenated into the previous string. What the previous string is, this, that means this whole plus j, so it will be added here. Similarly for n, lower condition will satisfy decrease by 1. If you will decrease n by 1, what you will get? N. That means nt, that means this plus n. So plus, that means concatenate n into this one, it will be n, okay. N minus 1, it will be m. So the final output which you will get here is this: small q, small k, capital C, 2, 5, and then this one capital J, and then small m.